And the Land Rover.
She mustn't swing too much now because that wheel's going to rip on the right. Oh, she's good. Perfect line. I forgot to look at Chris when I came through. I was like, oh well, I'm just going to drive through.
Let's just hope these things don't fail. Oh, geez. Oh, geez.
Nice. No, it's the right line. She's got traction all the way. Well played. Nice line.
Sorry, number one. Okay. No, that's fine. That's do number one.
Dead straight, Dan.
I don't want you guys to do it alone.
Yes, nicely done.
Okay.
Quality. What a quality girl. Perfect.
Well done.